Morning guys, today I am going to discuss a product called Gprs based data logger. Gprs means simply called as data, means net, internet, and data logger means the data keeping device which is for information for us. Coming to our project, the project is useful in a purpose where if you want to go to some place like a holiday spot and you want to know the environment of the place, like how much temperature in that place and how much the humidity in that place, and if this temperature is high then you can postpone the trip. So in that concept this project works helps a lot. So coming to our project, the main concept here is to give the data about the particular area. So the main components in our project is peak controller, a LDA sensor, temperature sensor and humidity sensor, Gprs module and temperature transformer. Coming to peak, this peak controller is the heart of the whole kit. Without the peak controller, the output will not come. The main purpose of this peak controller is to collect the data from this humidity sensor, LDR sensor and temperature sensor and give it to the server through Gprs module, and the whole kit works on peak controller only. Without this peak, the kit does not give any output. And coming to this module, this Gprs module. The Gprs module, the main function is to give data to the server for us to access. And in this Gprs module, we have to use a SIM for data connection purpose. And coming to this one, this is LDR sensor, light dependent resistor. It will measure the temperature and measure the light condition of this area. And coming to this one is humidity sensor. It will measure the humidity of a particular area. And coming to this one, this is the LM35 temperature sensor. It is used for measuring the temperature of a particular area. And coming to this one is LCD. LCD is for giving data information for us as acknowledgement. Coming to this one, this is a DIV9 pin, and the whole kit works on serial communication only. Serial communication means it required a cable called RS2T cable and heat resist cable. It is connected to the Gprs module, and serial communication will be established between the Gprs module and this peak controller. And coming to supply part, the whole kit works on supply of 5 volts DC. But coming to our homes, we are getting about voltage of 522 volts. But here we need a stable transformer. This one, which will convert the 22 volts AC to 12 volts AC. And the 12 volts is given to the peak board. In this peak board, we are having components like rectifier, capacitor and voltage regulator. These three components combinedly convert the voltage from 12 volts AC to 5 volt DC. And this regulator number is 5705, which is indicating that 5 volts DC is given output, and this 5 volts DC is given to the controller for working purpose. And coming to this one, this LDA sensor, it works on 5 volt DC only. So we are getting this separate sensor from this board itself only. And coming to this temperature sensor, it also works on 5 volt DC only. 5 volt DC only. So it also works on 5 volt DC only. So we are getting power supply from this board itself only. And coming to this one, it also need about 5 volt DC, but we are giving it to the adapter because of power requirements. So coming to output, you can see the data in the LCD of a particular area. So initially it is showing Gprs based data logger using peak controller and temperature humidity. So it is showing the value of 26 and 22 values of temperature and humidity, and then it will show you the value of light, which is 77. These values vary when I do something to these sensors, and it is sending data to the server with the help of Gprs module. And now I will show you the output by varying the values in these sensors. So once when I close the LDR sensor, you can see the LDR value will be 0, and I will show you now. So you can see it. The temperature is gradually decreasing from 77 to 43, and then it will show you about 00. And when I lit a light to the LM35 sensor, it will show the variation in temperature also. You can see the temperature varied from 26 to 106 gradually. So on a light is still decreasing. And coming to humidity sensor, when I blow on this humidity sensor, the value will change and will show, and this data can be shown in the server also. Coming to server part, I will show you on PC. We are having a server in which the data is stored. So coming to our server, this user space data logger, GPS data logger. You have to enter a time here and device name, and you can see the data here. So these are the data which are coming from the kit. So I will show you the variation where I change the data. You can see here when I close the LDR completely, then light value is 0, and when I kept a light and LDR sensor, the value is completely raising from 0 to 10 to 3. And come temperature, when I lit a light, then temperature sensor value increases from 26 to 121, and is gradually decreasing and again coming to 27. And light also, when I lit a light on the LDR sensor, then the value changes from 0 to 120, and gradually when I again close the LDR sensor with my hands, then gradually decreases to 0. And humidity sensor value will be vary when you blow on light. I can show it somewhere in the graph sheet. So you can see that here that the humidity value is changed when I put some water on this humidity sensor, some water vapor. So in this way we can get the data of a particular area, and we can be aware of the situation of the particular location. So thank you for your time and thank you for listening.